Hi, I'm Kiran from ClearTax. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is tax deducted at source or TDS return on salary payment. When an employer pays an employee the salary, he will deduct TDS under Section 192 of the Income Tax Act 1961. The TDS must be deducted as per the income tax slab of the employee. The employer must consider the tax deductions and the investments of the employee if the employee has submitted these investment proofs. The employer should file a quarterly TDS return in Form 24Q. In the form, the employer must disclose the details of the salary paid to the employee and the TDS that is deducted on the payment in Form 24Q. The Form 24Q has two annexures called Annexure 1 and Annexure 2. The Annexure 1 must be submitted for all the quarters of a financial year. The Annexure 2 must be submitted only in the last quarter of the financial year. Annexure 1 of the Form 24Q shows the deductee-wise breakup of the TDS against a particular challan. Challan details to be mentioned in Annexure 1 are BSR code of the branch, date of deposition of the challan serial number, total amount in the challan, TDS and interest amount to be allocated among the deductees. The details of deductees to be mentioned in Annexure 1 are employee reference number, PAN, and name of the employee, TDS section code, date of payment, the amount paid, TDS amount and education cess. If the employer deducts TDS at a lower rate, he will give the reason for the lower deduction. The Annexure 2 of Form 24Q gives the employee-wise data, which consists of the total salary breakup, the deductions as claimed by the employee, income from house property, income from other sources, and also the overall tax liability. The due dates of Form 24Q are the 31st of July for the April to June quarter, 31st of October for the July to September quarter, 31st of January for the October to December quarter, and 31st May for the January to March quarter. For FY 2021, due to COVID-19, the due date for submission of TDS return for the first and second quarter stands extended as of 31st March 2021. Let us take a look at the fees, interest, penalties attached with Form 24Q. TDS is not deducted. Interest must be paid at the rate of 1% per month from the due date of deduction to the actual date of the deduction. If TDS is not deposited, it is 1.5% per month from the actual date of the deduction to the actual date of the payment. In case of failure to file TDS return, the deductor should pay a late filing fees under Section 234E of Rs 200 a day until the return is filed. Separately, a non-compliance with TDS provisions may attract a penalty under Section 271H. The amount of penalty may range from a minimum of Rs 10,000 to a maximum of Rs 1 lakh. However, there is no penalty in the case where the deductor deposits the TDS, interest, late filing fee, and files the quarterly TDS return before the expiry of 1 year from the due date as prescribed for filing the TDS returns. Thanks for watching.